Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your task management with Trello, detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by signing into your Trello account or creating a new one if you don't have an account yet. Once logged in, create a new board by clicking on the Create New Board button. Name your board something relevant to your project or task management needs. Select a background color or image that suits your style and project. Next, create lists in your board by clicking on Add a List and naming them according to your workflow. Common list names include To Do, In Progress, and Completed. Now, populate your lists with cards by clicking on Add a Card. Each card represents a specific task or item you need to manage. Click on a card to open it and add details such as descriptions, due dates, and attachments. You can assign team members to cards by clicking on Members and selecting their names. Utilize labels to categorize tasks by color, making it easier to visualize priorities. Add checklists within cards for subtasks by clicking on Checklist and naming it. As tasks progress, simply drag cards from one list to another to reflect their status. You can also add comments to cards for communication with team members. To make your board even more effective, explore Power UPS, which are integrations that extend Trello's functionality. Access Power UPS by clicking on Show menu on the right side of your board, then Power UPS. Adjust the settings of your board to tailor notifications and privacy according to your preferences. Regularly review your boards and lists to ensure tasks are updated and priorities are clear. Utilize the search feature to quickly find specific cards or information within boards. On mobile, download the Trello app to manage your tasks on the go. Share your board with stakeholders or team members for collaborative task management. Always remember to archive completed cards to keep your board organized. By following these steps, you can effectively upgrade your task management system with Trello. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.